Learning at Home with IKEA. Hey barn, I'm Amanda and welcome to our second episode of Learning at Home with IKEA. Today we are going to be learning about family. So let's learn some Swedish words that are useful when discussing family. Brother, bror, bror. Father, pappa, pappa. Mother, mamma, mamma. You could use these words in a sentence. For example, my brother is nice. Min bror är trevlig. Min bror är trevlig. My father likes to barbecue. Min pappa gillar att grilla. Min pappa gillar att grilla. My mother's name is Aina. Min mamma heter Aina. Min mamma heter Aina. Aina is also the name of a cushion cover from IKEA. So I hope you have enjoyed learning about family. Now, how about a fun counting challenge? How many IKEA meatballs can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done! That's all for today, kids. Join us next time for some more learning at home with IKEA, where we will be learning about nature. Hej då!